Hey folks, Adam Moore here with Ecotec. Just kind of want to do an unboxing video of the EcoFlow kit and kind of what comes in here. So EcoFlow kit's used for quad OB rod packing measurements. So we have the Inspectra. This is a Method 21 pump drawn unit that is paired with a vane anemometer. It's connected to this unit. It's going to give you a meters per second reading, which is then calculated in the software via the data collector to give you an SCFM. We also include a high accuracy GPS, gets you within 3 feet. You got your chargers, and then we also include a wand and a boot that you can use this as a standalone unit. You got subpart W measurements for crankcase vents, leaking valves, stuff like that. Or you just want to find some leaks, use this. You got your spanner wrench, change out the filters in here, some spare filters, regulator, and a hose for your cow gas. And then of course your instruction manual, step-by-step on how to work through this. If you're interested in a demo or want to check out the EcoFlow, give me a call, shoot me an email. If you don't have my contact, go to our website, inquiry on there, ecotecco.com.